Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can stream on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store, and right here you're gonna find your game library where you're gonna find the list that includes all of the games that you have installed on your PlayStation 5. Here in the top you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, in order to stream on the PlayStation 5, it's pretty easy. Firstly, go ahead and set up your settings by clicking on settings right here, then go all the way down until you find captures and broadcasts. Go ahead and click on it, then go to broadcast, and then here you're gonna find all of the settings. Here you're gonna find video quality, audio, overlays, and chat to speech. Once you finish setting up your settings, just go ahead and click on the share button on your controller. And then once you do that right here, you're gonna find save recent gameplay, take screenshots, and start a new recording. Here in the right, you're gonna find broadcast, share screen, and capture options. Go ahead and click on broadcast, and then you're gonna be able to stream your games on the PlayStation 5. As you can see guys right here, I can't broadcast because I need to start playing a game first to be able to broadcast. So go ahead and start your game first, and then you're gonna be able to stream on the PlayStation 5. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.